പാടി സ്തുതിച്ച നേരം വളമെടുത്താടിയതായ രാജൻ, പാടി സ്തുതിച്ച നേരം വളമെടുത്താടിയതായി അതിയാൽ വാഴുന്നത് വെട്ടിക്കൊട്ടാണ്, അതിയാൽ വാഴുന്നത് വെട്ടിക്കൊട്ടാണ്. വീണഗാനങ്ങൾ കേട്ടത് ചെവിയുണര്, വീണഗാനങ്ങൾ കേട്ടത് ചെവിയുണര്. വെട്ടിക്കോട്ടവരും ദേവാനായ രാജാവേ, വെട്ടിക്കോട്ടവരും ദേവാനായ യക്ഷിയമ്മേ. വീണഗാനങ്ങൾ കേട്ട് സോഴിഞ്ഞാട്, വീണഗാനങ്ങൾ കേട്ട് സോഴിഞ്ഞാട്.
The Adimulam Vettikot Sri Nagaraja Swami temple resonates with the melodies of Puluwan songs, echoing in the ears and is filled with the fragrance of turmeric. Thousands of devotees seek the blessings of Nagaraja for wealth, prosperity, and the removal of all obstacles. Vettikot Sri Nagaraja Swami temple is located near Kattanam on the Kayamkulam Punalur route in Alappuzha district, Kerala. It is one of the ancient Nagaraja temples in Kerala. The main festival of the temple is celebrated on the Ilayam star day in the Malayalam month of Khani. Thousands of devotees from different parts of the region gather here on Ilayam day to appease Nagaraja. The idol of Vettikot represents Ananta alongside Lord Vishnu. It is said in the Puluwan songs that this is the first Ananta idol consecrated in its original form in Kerala. The Vettikot Nagaraja idol embodies the combined energy of Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. According to legend, Ananta, the eldest and most virtuous among the 8 sons of Kshya Prajapati, and his wife Kadru, is the king of serpents. The Vettikot Sri Nagaraja Swami temple is one of the main serpent worship centers dedicated to Ananta in Kerala. The deity faces east, and the temple is surrounded by numerous serpent statues and sculptures. The rituals here differ from other temples. Since the serpents undergo a period of hibernation from the Ilayam of the Malayalam month of Edavam to the Ilayam of Khani, serpent offerings are not performed during this time. Special offerings like Nuram Palum are only conducted on Ilayam days. One of the main events of the Ilayam Mahotsavam at the Adimulam Vettikot Sri Nagaraja Swami temple is the Izhanalatu, which attracts thousands of people from different parts of the country. Accompanied by the rhythms of Panjavadyam and the music of Puluwan songs, the procession of Lord Ananta with Naga Yakshi takes place in a devotional atmosphere filled with the beats of the drums. It is believed that witnessing the Ilayam procession ensures protection from serpent-related fears for the next year. Hours before the start of the procession, the temple grounds and surrounding roads become crowded with devotees. It is customary for all those visiting the Vettikot temple to also visit the Tevarapura and Nilavara, located to the west of the temple. These are the main worship centers. In the coming days, the temple grounds will resonate with Puluwan songs and Nagaraja hymns. The Vettikot Ilayam in 2024 will be held on September 28.